Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Wordle. That's a word cloud using the latest internet sensation, Wordle.net. Just go to www.wordle.net. From there, to create your own, just click straight away right on the Create Your Own button, and then you're going to need a bunch of text. In this case, I've got a paper that I wrote a few months ago. And Wordle always works best when you have a whole lot of text so that your word cloud can be really big. Just start at the top and copy every single piece of text. The longer the better. In this case, what I have about 10 pages. Copy. Go back to Wordle and right click paste right back in and press go. Give it a few seconds. Now you get a random setup initially. If you decide that you don't really like it, you can just press the randomize button to choose another random setup. Don't really like that one, you can do it as many times as you like until you come across one that you're happy with. Or you can change things. If you don't like the font, you can change it to any one of these choices. I'll try that one there. If you decide you want the layout a bit different, if you prefer a rounder edge or a straighter edge of the word cloud, kind of lines it up a bit more. If you want it to go all vertical, mostly vertical, half and half, mostly horizontal, so on and so forth, just have a play with it. I think you'll find you quite like it. You can also change the coloring. Maybe you like that one there. A bit dark, change it to something lighter. Another neat little trick, if you decide that you wish the words to be kind of clear, see-through, just double click on it and the words will turn all clear and see-through just like that. Now the problem with Wordle is it's not really designed to be a repository and save your Wordles forever. If you save it to the public gallery, the problem with that is within about 2 hours so many other people have saved theirs that it becomes nearly impossible to find later on. So if you want to keep your Wordle for the future, you need to press your print screen button. And what we're going to do with that is make what you may have heard called a screen dump or a screen capture. You'll find the print screen button in the top right hand corner of your keyboard, and you may, with certain laptops, have to press the function button. That's kind of the blue FN button in order to make it actually work. But on a standard keyboard you should just be able to hit it once. So I'm going to press it now. Print screen. From there, if you go to Start, All Programs, then choose Accessories, and then Paint. This is the simple, super easy to use Microsoft Paint program. We'll choose that one. And then the print screen, essentially what it does is it makes a copy of everything you saw on your screen. So if you go to Edit and go to Paste, you'll suddenly get what looks like your screen that you just were looking at on the Wordle. So in order to crop it down, you can just do it super simple. First you have to save it, so go to File, Save As, choose your location. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and save it to the desktop so I know right where it is. You can name it here. I'm just going to call it New Wordle. Now here, where it says Save File as Type, the default is a 24-bit bitmap. Your best bet is to change that to a JPEG right here. Just click the drop-down button, choose JPEG, and then press Save. Alright, then you can go ahead and close that. You can minimize your Internet Explorer if you think that you're happy with it. If you've got Word still open, you can close that as well. And you'll find right where I wanted to save it at on the desktop. Now I'll click on that and it'll open up with my Microsoft Office Picture Manager. From there, I need to crop it so the stuff is not in the way. So I press Edit Pictures, go over to the right, press Crop, then it'll give me these little black bits here, and I can slide the bar over to the very edge of my Wordle. I'll press OK. Alright, that side looks pretty good. I'll come up to the top, grab that one, slide it down just about to there, I think. Press OK. Then I'll come down to the bottom, missed it. Do the same thing again. Just slide it up, press OK. Oh, still looks pretty good. Come over to the left, bring it over. Now let's say you went a bit too far on accident, and even if you hit OK and go, oh, whoops, I think I might have erased a bit of my Wordle. Not a big deal. Just like in Microsoft Word, you can press this little undo button right here, and it'll undo the last thing that you did in case you made a mistake. So I hit undo. I'm going to try again. I'll just slide it over a little bit. Come back and press OK. And there we have it. That's my Wordle. Now from here, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and save. You can press the save button here, or if you just close it, it'll ask you, do you want to save these changes? Now since I've cropped it just the way I like it, I'm going to go ahead and save them. There we go. So now I can open up that Wordle, and there it is. It's perfect and ready to go. It works just like any other image. You can paste it into a PowerPoint. You can paste it into an email to send to somebody else. If you put it into Microsoft Publisher, you can play around with it and add other text to it and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, just give me an email. It's l.a.hendricks@hearts.ac.uk. Thanks for watching.